Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can undo sending email from Gmail. So let's start. So I have Gmail here opened. So what you want to do is go to settings right here and go to see all settings. Now here we have an option says undo send. Now by default it is set to 5 seconds, but you can actually change this one. So say for example you want to change it to 30 seconds, so you will have a little bit more time to review if you want to undo sending your email. Now let's go ahead and save this one at the bottom, save changes. Now if I want to compose an email in here, and I'm going to send it to one of my contacts. And I would say, and I would tap on send. So here it says that message sent, but you still have an option to undo or view your message. Now this is going to be available for you for 30 seconds. Now if you want to tap on undo, now it will open the email and you can now undo some of the mistakes or what you want to change in your email. All right, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.